Hey everybody, welcome back to the Tell Me More Hub channel, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, go ahead and do it right now. Hello adventurers, welcome to my channel where we embrace the thrill of the great outdoors. Today, we're diving into the thrilling world of hiking. Picture yourself conquering rugged terrains, breathing in the fresh air, and witnessing breathtaking views from mountaintops. Whether you're a seasoned hiker or just starting out, these essential tips and insights will enhance your hiking experience. Get ready to unleash your inner explorer as we equip you with the knowledge and inspiration to hit the trails with confidence. Before we set off on an epic adventure, let's uncover hidden gems right in your backyard. You don't need to travel far to experience the joys of hiking. We'll discover how to find the perfect trail just a stone's throw away. First things first, we need a good map, but not the kind you unfold. We're in the digital age now. We're talking about apps like All Trails and Hiking Project. These apps are your ultimate guide to a world of trails. They offer detailed maps, trail reviews from fellow hikers, and even difficulty ratings to help you choose the perfect adventure for your skill level. Finding local trails is as easy as searching your city or region on these apps. You'll be amazed by the hidden trails tucked away in your area, from peaceful nature walks to challenging climbs. Remember to check trail conditions and any permit requirements before you head out. Now, choosing the right trail is key for an enjoyable hike. Think about what you're looking for: a challenging climb, a leisurely stroll through nature, or a trail with stunning views. Consider the distance and elevation gained to make sure it aligns with your fitness level. And always check the weather conditions before you head out. Now that you've found the perfect trail, let's talk about the most crucial piece of hiking gear: your boots. Remember, in the wild, your feet are your lifeline. They carry you through treacherous terrains and over rocky paths. That's why choosing the right hiking boots is essential for your comfort and safety. We're talking about boots that can withstand the elements and provide the support and traction you need to conquer any trail. Think of brands like Merrell, Salomon, and Columbia, known for their durability and performance on the trails. These boots are designed to keep your feet dry, comfortable, and protected. When selecting your hiking boots, consider the type of hiking you'll be doing. Are you tackling rugged mountain trails or sticking to well-maintained paths? Different terrains require different features, so choose wisely. Make sure to try on boots with the socks you plan to hike in, and break them in before your first big hike. And remember, your boots are an investment in your hiking adventures. Taking care of them will make them last for countless miles. A good pair of hiking boots will be your trusty companion on many memorable journeys. Out in the wild, preparation is key. Packing the right gear can be the difference between a successful hike and a survival situation. But fear not, adventurers. Packing smart doesn't mean carrying your entire house on your back. It all starts with a comfortable and supportive backpack. Look for one that fits snugly, distributes weight evenly, and has plenty of compartments for organization. Think of it as your mobile base camp. Inside, you'll want to pack essentials like a map and compass for navigation, even if you're using a trail app. Trust me, technology can fail, and you don't want to be caught off guard. Next up, clothing. Remember, layering is key. Start with moisture-wicking base layers to keep sweat away from your skin. Add insulating layers for warmth, and top it off with a waterproof and windproof outer layer. And don't forget a hat and gloves, even in warmer weather, as conditions can change quickly in the mountains. Now, let's talk sustenance. Pack plenty of water to stay hydrated. I always carry a reusable water bottle and a water filter, so I can refill from streams and lakes along the way. And of course, no hiking trip is complete without trail snacks. Energy bars, nuts, and dried fruit will keep your energy levels up during those long hikes. All right, beginners, this chapter is for you. Embarking on your first hiking adventure can be both exciting and a tad daunting. But fear not, with a few essential tips, you'll be conquering trails like a seasoned pro in no time. First and foremost, start slow and steady. Choose beginner-friendly trails with gradual inclines and shorter distances. As you gain confidence and experience, you can gradually increase the difficulty. Remember, hiking is not a race. It's about enjoying the journey and the beauty of nature. Speaking of enjoying the journey, pacing yourself is crucial. Hiking can be more strenuous than it seems, especially at higher altitudes. Listen to your body, take breaks when needed, and don't be afraid to turn back if you're feeling overwhelmed. And remember, safety first. Always let someone know your hiking plans, including your route and estimated return time. Carry a basic first aid kit and know how to use it. Familiarize yourself with the 10 essentials for hiking and pack accordingly. For the ultimate hiking adventure, let's venture into the awe-inspiring landscapes of national parks. From the towering granite cliffs of Yosemite to the geothermal wonders of Yellowstone and the breathtaking depths of the Grand Canyon, these parks offer a glimpse into nature's raw beauty and unparalleled hiking experiences. Imagine yourself dwarfed by giant sequoia trees, their massive trunks reaching for the sky. Picture yourself gazing upon cascading waterfalls and pristine alpine lakes, their waters reflecting the vibrant hues of the surrounding wilderness. National parks offer a diverse range of trails, catering to all levels of hikers. But with great beauty comes great responsibility. Remember to practice leave no trace principles to preserve these natural wonders for generations to come. Pack out everything you pack in, stay on designated trails to protect fragile ecosystems, and be mindful of wildlife. Planning a national park hike requires a bit more preparation. Permits and reservations are often required for popular trails and campgrounds, so be sure to book in advance. Check the park's website for trail conditions, closures, and any safety advisories. And there you have it, adventurers. You're now equipped with the knowledge and inspiration to hit the trails with confidence. From finding local trails to choosing the right gear and staying safe, we've covered it all. Now that you're equipped with these tips, it's time to lace up your boots and explore. Remember, hiking is not just about reaching the summit. It's about immersing yourself in nature, challenging your limits, and creating unforgettable memories. Happy hiking, and see you on the trails. Oh, one final thought. If you liked this video and you are ready to start an adventure, subscribe to the Tell Me More Hub channel. We look forward to answering your questions and sharing information about the things you're really interested in.